Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Lamborghini Urus in Driving Empire. This luxurious SUV can be yours by following a few key steps within the game. We will cover how to access the special event, complete the necessary challenges, and also discuss ways to earn the in-game currency if you prefer an alternative purchase method. Get ready to add this iconic vehicle to your garage and dominate the roads. To acquire the Urus, first navigate to the in-game shop. Look for the Car Packs or Featured section and select the free option for the Lamborghini Urus SE. This will transport you to the exclusive Lamborghini Lab. Once there, proceed to the time trial section. Your goal is to complete the designated race in under 1 minute and 25 seconds to earn the vehicle. It might take a few tries, but practice makes perfect. If the time trial proves challenging, you can also purchase the Urus SE for 400 Robux. To boost your in-game earnings, join the Driving Empire group for a 15% cash bonus. For an even greater advantage, the VIP Game Pass offers a substantial 50% increase in money earned. Focus on high-paying races, such as the Rush Hour event, to accumulate funds quickly and efficiently. Once you have successfully acquired your Lamborghini Urus, the real fun begins. Head to your garage to customize it with a wide array of paint colors, rims, and performance upgrades. Take your new, powerful SUV for a spin to experience its exceptional speed and handling. Whether you're cruising the highways or tackling off-road adventures, the Urus is designed to impress. Enjoy showcasing your premium vehicle throughout Driving Empire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.